Assalamualaikum. My name is Izzat and I am CEO and co-founder of Chakkar.com. Chakkar is an online marketplace providing bed and breakfast solutions in Gilgit-Baltistan and KP. We are helping and economically empowering thousands of hospitality entrepreneurs from the northern Pakistan. If you want to make money from your spare house or by offering any adventurous experiences, you are at the right place. You can register it at www.chakkar.com. On the other hand, we offer tourists to come and stay with the locals so you can enjoy the culture and authentic local experiences. Now we are up to provide disinfected rentals, disinfected cars so you can travel safely. Thank you very much.
क्वेश्चन मेरा टीचर्स और पेरेंट्स है। आप सबको यकीनन अपने बच्चों के बायो, केमिस्ट्री, इंग्लिश, उर्दू के मार्क्स ज़रूर पता होंगे और आप उनको इम्प्रूव करने की कोशिश भी करते हैं, लेकिन क्या आपको अपने बच्चों के इंटेलिजेंस लेवल के बारे में पता है? क्या आपको अपने बच्चे की पर्सनैलिटी के बारे में, उसके लर्निंग स्टाइल, उसके फोकस पॉइंट, वो किस वक्त ज़्यादा सीख सकता है और उसके लर्निंग का प्रोसेस क्या है, क्या आप उसको जानते हैं? क्या आप अपने बच्चे की सेल्फ इस्टीम को समझते हैं? नहीं तो आप इस सब को इम्प्रूव कैसे करेंगे? दुनिया बहुत आगे चली गई है बॉस, लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड। वी आर डूइंग ऑल ऑफ दिस फॉर यू। माय नेम इज वलीद नासिर, CEO and founder of Ruji Tifl. Ruji Tifl is Pakistan's first scientific brain management system. Rest assured, we have highly rated educational and neuropsychologists in our team with the years of valuable experience. Our program unleashes your total potential to the next level of productivity. We are very thankful to Tech Valley, Dushal, Abbottabad, and especially KPIT board who supported us both morally and financially by providing us growth ecosystem and with a lot of knowledge. You can contact us on our social media pages and on our website www.rujitifl.com.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Vajiha Zulfikar and I'm part of the team MapEver. We provide GIS services to different companies and businesses. Our main focus is on site selection that is done through spatial analysis. We provide different options to companies so that they can grow better and have better future planning. We were incubated in the second cohort of Dushal Tech Valley Abbottabad, and these 6 months have been really amazing. All the mentors and the business experts have been really helpful and they have helped us learn and grow a lot. We have worked with companies such as Food Panda and Nayatel, and we were this close to working with more companies, but unfortunately COVID-19 happened and everything slowed down. Still, it hasn't stopped for us. We have been working on corona mapping from home. That is, we have collected information regarding the patients suffering from corona, their locality, the hospitals that are treating those patients, and the number of cases in different areas, and have collected all that in the form of a map that is easily available on our website, that's mapever.com. See all that, but this is just a step further towards the goal that we have determined for ourselves. So we have a lot more to grow and a lot more to learn. So yeah, that's it. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Ali Hassan and I am here on behalf of Biomasan Technologies serving as a CEO. As you know, Pakistan is far behind from other nations in engineering field. So we proudly announce that we take a step forward and become the first local manufacturer in 3D industry. We are also in contact with different industries for providing them the engineering solutions. In parallel to this, Biomasan take an initiative to facilitate the constructors by introducing 3D modeling. We achieved all these milestones in a very short time span, and definitely it's never happened without Dushal, Tech Valley, and especially KPIT board, who provide us all the booming material in terms of financially and morally. They done such appreciable work to turn the startup into a successful company. On behalf of my all team members, I would like to thank the whole KPIT board family. At the end, I love to quote some words that future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. So keep an eye on your goal and move. Thank you.
They had an amazing idea of providing employment to the skillful seamstresses of Pakistan at their homes so that their talent don't get wasted. We applied, pitched and got selected in second cohort of Durshal Abbottabad. Here we were trained and upskilled for each and every aspect of the business within the cycle of just 6 months. Now we are pleased that we have command on every particular of business with the help of Tech Valley and Durshal Abbottabad.
Talking about the last 6 months, Durshal helped us out in raising funding from different startup competitions, which include Shield of Tech and Global Student Entrepreneurship Award. We have a happy customer circle of 250 through which we have completed more than 2,000 orders, and our startup has generated 17 jobs till now. If you believe in your business idea and want it to be the next successful business startup, then apply now for the third cohort of Durshal Abbottabad. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum viewers, I am Zainul Abidin, founder and CEO of Zipchin. Our company is about energy solutions which are cost efficient and energy audit. We came up with the startup idea at Durshal Tech Valley Abbottabad of induction generator. So let me introduce you about our product. Induction generator is simply an induction motor with some technical modifications made by a team of experts at Zipchin. Beside this, we are also working on energy audit. We have a successful installation in Naran KPK of induction generator, where previously a synchronous generator was serving the load of 3 hotels. We replaced it with our induction generator, so it gave the same output power and reduced the cost up to 68%. How it reduced the cost up to 68%? So in this way, that the synchronous generator that was previously installed at that site was costing 1,50,000, whereas our induction generator was manufactured in approximately 50,000 rupees. So that's how it is 68% cost efficient. Beside this, we are also working on energy audit projects on commercial and residential and as well as industrial consumers of power.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to IMED Club introduction video. IMED Club online marketplace है for healthcare products. Healthcare product जिसमें medical और dental entire industry include है, जिस तरह के medical और dental equipment, material, instruments, cosmeceutical, disposable और entire जितनी इस industry में जो requirements है वो सब इस platform पे different sub categories में इसमें है. On top of the general use items जिसमें normally जितने medical या health products आपको चाहिए होते हैं, जिस तरह for example आपको multivitamins या weight loss, weight gain, baby care, health, men's health care, women health care, तो इस जितने भी different इसके सब categories हैं, हमने कोशिश की हुई कि हम इसको एक IMED Club में हम इसको sum up कर सकें. और दूसरा इसमें हम और कुछ ऐसे फीचर्स जो कि हम चाहते हैं जो कि बायर्स को इस फैसिलिटेट कर सकें, जिस तरह के एक्सेसिबिलिटी, आप कोई भी आइटम को आप एक्सेस कर सकें, अवेलेबिलिटी यानी जो भी आइटम आप ढूंढ रहे हैं आपको वो अवेलेबल हो सके. थर्ड, कंपेरेबिलिटी, आप डिफरेंट वेंडर्स या डिफरेंट सप्लायर जो यहाँ पे बिजनेस कर रहे हैं, सो एटलीस्ट उसके आप डिफरेंट ऑप्शंस आप उसमें देख सकें. चौथा फीचर जो क्या है अफोर्डेबिलिटी, जिस आप कोई भी आपके साथ जितने भी पैसे हैं फॉर एग्जांपल इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए फॉर हेल्थ केयर प्रोडक्ट्स, तो एटलीस्ट आपके साथ डिफरेंट ऑप्शंस हो फॉर प्राइस. और पांचवा जो है टू गेट ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स एट योर डोर स्टेप, आपको कहीं पे जाना नहीं पड़े, आपको जो भी आइटम आपके घर तक पहुंच सके. सो हमारी कोशिश ये है कि जितने हम सेलर और बायर दोनों को हम कनेक्ट कर सकें. आने वाले वक्त में हम आप सबका सपोर्ट की जरूरत रहेगी. जितना आप हमें सपोर्ट करेंगे इतना उम्मीद है कि ये सिस्टम सबको कैटर कर सकेगा. इजाज़त चाहूँगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच. अल्लाह हाफिज़.